GitHub just dropped something massive. You can now pick between 3 different AI agents, GitHub Copilot, Claude, and OpenAI Codex, and let them work on your code in the background. No more waiting around. No more context switching. Just tell the agent what you want, pick your AI, and let it rip. This works in GitHub.com, VS Code, and the mobile app. If you have Copilot Pro Plus or Enterprise, this is live right now. Let me show you exactly how this changes everything. So what exactly did GitHub announce? Starting today, you can use Claude from Anthropic and OpenAI's Codex alongside the default Copilot model, all within your existing GitHub workflow. This isn't just chat completion or code suggestions. These are full agents that can understand your entire codebase, plan multi-step tasks, write code, create branches, and open pull requests automatically. The key difference? You're not locked into one model anymore. Different tasks need different strengths. Claude excels at reasoning and following complex instructions. Codex is tuned specifically for code generation. And Copilot knows your GitHub context better than anyone. Now you can pick the right tool for each job. Let's start with GitHub.com. There's a brand new Agents tab in your repository. Click it, and you'll see a Sessions panel where you can type what you want done in plain English. Here's the magic: see those icons next to the input? You can pick between Copilot, Claude, or Codex for each task. When you submit a task, the agent starts working in the background. It's not just generating code snippets, it's actually understanding your project structure, figuring out what files need to change, and implementing the solution. Then it automatically creates a pull request with all the changes. The interface shows you open and closed sessions, so you can track what's in progress and what's done. Each session shows which agent is working on it, how long it's been running, and the PR number it created. This is like having junior developers you can assign tasks to, except they work 24/7 and never need coffee breaks. But here's where it gets even better: VS Code integration. Inside your editor, you can now run multiple agents in parallel. Look at this interface: you've got 3 different tasks all running at the same time: SEO review, adding a featured games section, and conducting an accessibility review. Each one says working with a time estimate. And see that drop-down? Copilot, Claude, Codex. Pick the one you want for each specific task. Maybe you want Claude to handle your accessibility review because it's great at understanding guidelines and compliance. Use Codex for that quick feature addition. Keep Copilot for tasks that need deep GitHub integration. The input box lets you type natural language instructions. Perform a code review on the site, ensuring we're following all best practices. Hit enter, pick your agent, and it starts working. You can add context, select which repo and branch to target, and let it go. This is the future of development. You're not writing every line of code anymore, you're directing a team of AI agents. Your job becomes defining intent, reviewing output, and making sure everything aligns with your vision. The mechanical work of typing out boilerplate, implementing standard patterns, fixing routine bugs, that's what the agents handle. And yes, this works on mobile too. The GitHub app now has an agents section where you can see all your open sessions, create new ones, and monitor progress. Imagine you're commuting and you think of something that needs to be done. Pull out your phone, type add pagination to the products page with customizable page size, hit submit, and by the time you get to your desk, there's a PR waiting for review. That's the workflow now. So who gets access to this? You need GitHub Copilot Pro Plus or Copilot Enterprise. The standard Copilot individual plan doesn't include agents yet, you're limited to chat and completions. Pro Plus runs $39 per month and includes unlimited agent sessions. Enterprise is for organizations and includes additional features like org-wide memory and custom instructions. If you're serious about using AI for development, the Pro Plus upgrade is pretty much mandatory at this point. Let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Before today, using Claude for coding meant copying code back and forth from the Claude website. Using Codex meant setting up API calls or using ChatGPT. Now all 3 models are unified in one interface, integrated directly into your workflow. No context switching. No copy-paste. No manual PR creation. But here's the bigger picture: GitHub is betting that the future isn't one AI model to rule them all. Different models have different strengths. By giving you the choice, they're admitting that Claude might be better for some tasks, Codex for others. That's honest, and it makes your workflow more powerful. The companies building AI coding tools are in an arms race right now. Anthropic has Claude Code. OpenAI has Codex. Cursor is doing their own thing. And now GitHub is saying we'll give you access to the best of everything. That's a strong position to be in. If you're not using AI agents for coding yet, you're falling behind. This isn't hype, it's the new baseline. Drop a comment below telling me which agent you're most excited to try: Claude, Codex, or Copilot. Subscribe if you want more coverage on AI coding tools. I'm testing all of these every single day and bringing you the real results. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.